Hi everyone, my name is DR.Victor Govindaswamy. I am a Master's of Computer Science student at Concordia University Chicago. Today I'm gonna present basic commands for Linux Beginner Module 3 and 4. Okay, Module 3 you're gonna learn navigating home directory using menu page, viewing user information, finding files, concatenating files, redirecting output, printing, checking print job, and canceling job. First, navigating home directory. In a multi-user system, users have their own private place to store files called home directory. You can use the title to go to home directory on a regular basis. However, if you would like to give other people access to your files, you can do so using the chmod command. For example, if you wanted to copy a file called jokes from your home directory to the /tmp directory, you could just type cp sudo /jokes/tmp. So using manual pages, the command which displays the portion of the online documentary is called MAN, which stands for the manual. For example, if you don't know which RS option display hidden files, you can display the manual pages describing RS by typing MAN RS. In the case you don't know the name of the command, there is an option to MAN which allows you to search for command which pertain to a particular subject. Just type MAN. 3. Viewing user information. In Linux, the command who am I is used to display the current username is return the effective user ID, which is typically the same as the login name. Unless you're switch user, you can type who am I. 4. Finding files. The command used to find files is called find. The syntax is file title / name. The / name option say that you are searching for file name. Document to name can be as simple as poem if you know that is the exact name of the file that the tree of the right side shown. But if you're not sure what the file is called, you can use wildcard like surround the argument in code. 5. Concatenating files. We need to explain how to combine files. Another word for combine is concatenate. The Linux concatenation command is simply CAT. For example, if you wanted to combine files Jabber and Woki, you would type CAT Jabber Woki. This would bring the content of Jabber and then Woki to your screen. 6. Redirecting output. To send the output for a command such as cat to a file, you can use either greater than, for example, cat jabber woki greater than poem. 7. Printing. Here are the basic Linux print command. For the LPR command stand for line printer. For example, to send a file name DOS to the default printer, you would type LPR DOS. To send your file to a printer called HP14 rather than the default one, you would type LPR-P HP14 DOS, and the -P stands for printer chosen by administrator. 7. Checking print job. At this time, you might want to check on the status of your print job to display all of the print job in different queue. use -p option, just as you would for the LPR command. For example, to check on your print job in the SP14 queue, you would like type LPQ -p SP14. And the last one in module 3, canceling job. The command to remove print job is called LPRM, which stands for Live Printer Remove. For example, to remove print job 148 from print queue SP14, you would type LPRM -p SP14 148. Okay, let me show you how the command works. I will gonna show you on Ubuntu on my window. First, if I want to go to my home directory, so I would type title, right? So I'm gonna go to another directory. It's not my home directory. I type cd. I type cd finance data, and I want to see what file inside this directory. I type rs and hit the enter. I see finance data.cp and finance data.base. So if I want to back to my directory, I would type cd and title. So I'm gonna back to my home directory. Okay, let's see the next video what how commands work.